Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation ng Chapter 2 which is all about sequences, series, and sigma notation. This time, the lesson is about the special sequences. Under this lesson, we have the following topics: the arithmetic sequence, the geometric sequence, the harmonic sequence, and the Fibonacci sequence. The next topic under special sequences is the geometric sequence. Geometric sequence is a sequence where the quotient between the two consecutive terms is constant. It is called common ratio. For example, we have 5,000, 5,400, 5,832, and so on and so forth. Ang ating first term is 5,000. Ang ating second term is 5,400. Ang ating third term is 5,832. At ang ating last term is a sub n, unknown. Pero kahit tatlo lang yung ating terms, pwede na rin nating makuha yung kanilang common ratio. Ang gagawin natin sa two consecutive terms ay kukunin natin yung quotient. Sa pagitan ng 5,000 at 5,400, ang gagawin natin is 5,400 divided by 5,000, that is 1.08. 5,832 divided by 5,400, the answer is also 1.08. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong common ratio sa ating sequence na 1.08. 1.08 is the common ratio represented by small r. Let's proceed to the general formula of geometric sequence. The general formula for geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Na kung saan a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, and r is the common ratio. How about the geometric series? Geometric series is the summation of geometric sequence. The formula for geometric series is S sub n is equal to n times the first term a sub 1. Itong formula na to ay gagamitin natin kung ang ating common ratio is exactly 1. Pwede rin natin gamitin yung formula na S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n all over the quantity of 1 minus r. Ito namang formula na to ay gagamitin natin kung ang ating common ratio is not equal to 1. Gamitin natin itong mga formula na to sa ating example. Ang ating example is meron tayong 5,000, 5,400, 5,832, and so on and so forth. We all know that this is a geometric sequence kasi meron siyang common ratio na 1.08. Meron tayong first term na 5,000. Ang a sub n natin is the nth term, then ang r natin is 1.08. Determine the formula of the sequence. Remember that the formula of geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. I-substitute natin yung first term sa a sub 1 at yung common ratio sa r. It will be a sub n is equal to 5,000 times the quantity of 1.08 raised to n minus 1. And this is our formula for our given geometric sequence. Next, we're going to use this formula to get the other terms of the sequence. For example, determine the following. Letter A, what is the fourth term? Pag sinabi natin fourth term, ang n is equal to 4. Ito ulit yung ating formula. I-substitute natin yung 4 sa value ng n. We have ito ay 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Ibig sabihin 1.08 cubed times 5,000. The answer is approximately 6,200 298.56. Dahil whole number yung ating mga given, i-convert natin to into whole number. Therefore, the fourth term is approximately 6,299. Next, for letter B, what is the eighth term? Pag sinabi natin eighth term, n is equal to 8. Ito ulit yung ating formula. I-substitute natin yung 8 sa value ng n. We have a sub 8 is equal to 5,000 times the quantity of 1.08 raised to 8 minus 1. Ang 8 minus 1 ay 7, kaya 1.08 raised to 7 times 5,000. That is approximately 8,569.12. Dahil whole number ang ating mga given, i-convert natin to into whole number. Therefore, the eighth term is approximately 8,569. Next, determine the 12th term. Pag sinabi natin 12th term, n is equal to 12. Ito ulit yung ating formula. I-substitute natin yung 12 sa n. We have a sub 12 is equal to 5,000 times the quantity of 1.08 raised to 12 minus 1. Ang 12 minus 1 ay 11, kaya ito ay magiging 1.08 raised to 11 times 5,000. That is approximately 11,658.19. Dahil kailangan i-convert into whole number, ang ating 12th term is approximately 11,658. Now, for letter D, ang instruction is find the sum of first to 12th terms. Ibig sabihin, kung meron tayong first term na 5,000, meron tayong common ratio na 1.08 at yung number of terms ay 12 kasi from first term to 12th term, ang ating common ratio is not equal to 1. Ang gagamitin nating formula for geometric series is S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n all over the quantity of 1 minus r. I-substitute natin yung 5,000 sa first term, 1.08 sa r, at 12 sa n. We have S sub 12 is equal to 5,000 times the quantity of 1 minus 1.08 raised to 12 all over the quantity of 1 minus 1.08. This is equivalent to approximately, then i-convert natin into whole number. Therefore, the summation of the first 12 terms is 94,886.